Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using QR codes on Spotify. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Spotify QR codes are a way of sharing profiles, songs, playlists, albums, and artists with people on Spotify without having to use long links. Literally every single song or playlist has a unique QR code attached to it. You can find the QR code of a song by tapping the three dots button next to any song name. This image you see at the top is actually the QR code. Take a screenshot to save this QR code and send it to people. It works the same for any album user or playlist. Simply tap the three dots options button for it and it will show you the QR code at the top for you to take a screenshot of. To load QR codes that you have been sent, you need to go on the search page of Spotify. Tap the search bar as if you are going to type and a camera icon will appear beside the search bar. Tap that to read a QR code. From here you can point your camera directly at the QR code or select a photo from your gallery. Spotify will read the QR code and instantly open the associated page on Spotify. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Spotify tips and tricks.